understanding something cognitively is very different from experiencing it differently. And cognitive insight is the understanding why, but emotional insight is actually experiencing something different on that feeling level. And in order for change to actually be sustainable, we need both, especially the emotional insight. Many people who say they have insight are often usually referring to this intellectual understanding rather than this emotional insight. And what we know is through processing therapies between cognitive processing therapy and EMDR, for instance, is that it often takes our emotional brain a bit longer to catch up to the logical intellectual brain. And it's because of the need for experiences we need, and that's going to inform the reparenting work and strategies. So if the patterns were learned through experiences, they don't just change because we understand them on an intellectual level. They change when we have a different experience.